Hi, this is Boris. Welcome to another video of Sketchman Draws. So this is a special one because I'm very happy to announce that the children's book that I illustrated has just been released on Amazon. It's been published on Amazon. So I would like to thank my friend Victor, who wrote the story and asked me to collaborate on this project. And so the story, it's a French children's book. I've made a French video also. So it's called the toboggan magique, which is so the story is about two children who discover like a magical slide that brings them to a like extraordinary farm, and so that's the story. And so if you know any people who speak French or who have families who have children, this could be a great Christmas gift. So please go order. If you have any questions, please reach out to me by commenting here on this video or by going to my website sketchmanboris.com. But yeah, the link to order the book is also in the description of this video. But yeah, thank you for watching, and thank you for those who have been supporting me and watching these videos. Thank you so much. And again, I hope you'll order it, and I'll just keep trying making new things. So thank you very much, and this is Boris for Sketchman Draws signing off.